Apple's iPhone is already loaded with high-end technology, but a slew of add-ons will take the device to the next level. There has never been greater variety in add-ons, from desk stands to power banks to gaming controllers. You'll rapidly wonder how you use your phone without them. We looked into the world of iPhone accessories to see what you can get for your phone. Here's a rundown of the best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories. Number 6. Smartish Gripzilla MagSafe Case. Imagine you squeeze a case so hard you left your imprints on the sides. That's pretty much what the Gripzilla case is like. The groove edges help add some extra grip to the whole thing, as does the texture on the bumper. It's great if you have butterfingers. The mute switch is easy to access, the buttons are clicky, the edges around the screen are raised well, and there's MagSafe support. It checks off a lot of boxes for a pretty low price. Number 5. Anker Nano Pro. None of the iPhone 14 models come with charging adapters in the box. Plus, the cable they do come with is a USB-C to Lightning, and you might not have a USB-C power adapter lying around. Rather than buying an adapter from Apple, you should get this one from Anker. It's positively tiny, just a hair bigger than the 5-watt adapter Apple used to include. However, the Nano Pro can output 20 watts, meaning it can fast charge your iPhone. The prongs don't fold, so if you need one that does, I like this Sateki 30-watt charger, which is almost as small and lightweight. Number 4. SHIELDON Case. The SHIELDON Wallet Folio Case is a leather case available in 2 leather options, genuine leather and full-grain leather. Both are made out of genuine/full-grain cowhide leather, so you can be assured that the case will gracefully age as it develops a patina with time. It also provides 360-degree protection from the outside, and the inner case is shockproof. It has raised edges on the screen and the camera, which protects your iPhone against drops, bumps, and scratches. Talking about protection, the SHIELDON case protects your cards from being hacked as it features RFID blocking. It can house some cash and up to 3 cards. Lastly, the case doubles as a hands-free stand, and you can adjust it for comfortable viewing angles. The case is available in 2 finishes and 15 color options, and the company offers a lifetime replacement warranty. Number 3. Backbone One Game Controller. If you spend a fair amount of time playing mobile games, then it's worth considering Apple Arcade for access to high-quality titles with 0 ads. Pair it with the Backbone One controller and you'll wonder how you played mobile games without it. The control layout is intuitive and satisfying to use and comfortable. Plus, it works with a decent selection of games. You can even use it to play your PlayStation and Xbox games remotely. Did I mention it adds a headphone jack? There's an adapter in the box to fit the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, and you'll probably need to take your case off every time you use it. Number 2. Temdan iPhone 14 Tempered Glass Waterproof Series Case. Temdan is a well-known brand that designs waterproof thermoplastic material cases for iPhone 14 Pro Max. It comes with an ultra-slim profile, a built-in 9 AHD, tempered glass with no-sleep micro-textured shockproof grip protects the camera lens and screen from scratch. The PC frame stops banding and absorbs the sock quickly. It is 100% fingerprint-proof. You can easily capture pictures underwater, and this foam protector never affects the quality of images. It always covers the speaker and volume keys, which is easy to work through the case. It holds up the device very well. Overall, it is decent to use this case in the water circumstances. Number 1. Anker Wireless Charger. This is a fantastic offer from Anker, one of the most dependable names in the charging industry. The PowerWave pad is a basic disc-shaped pad with a soft touch matte surface on top and bottom for more grip, so your phone won't fall off or the pad itself will wiggle about on the table. It's tiny, light, and energy efficient, with a little LED on top to indicate that everything is in working order. A flashing blue light indicates the presence of a metal barrier. In contrast, a flashing green light indicates the presence of an incompatible cable or adapter, but steady blue indicates that all is okay. The PowerWave pad enables up to 10-watt wireless charging with compatible devices, making it one of the fastest versions available. The only drawback is that you'll need to bring your quick charge power adapter to connect it to the wall for the best performance.